Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to delete Bigo live account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to delete your Bigo live account, all you need to do is simply tap open your Bigo live app. Once you open it, you will end up in this page, so simply tap on the me icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner. Then simply tap on this gear icon, which is the settings option, and you will end up in this page, so tap on account management. Simply scroll down below where you can find the delete account option under account ownership. Now to confirm your account, type in your password and hit the next button. After this is done, you will end up in this page where all you need to do now is simply tap on confirm and continue. After doing this, you need to simply tap on delete account. So once you go through the agreement of account deletion, you can simply tap on account deletion, which is delete account. So after you tap on delete account, you need to again confirm that you want to delete your account. So simply hit on the delete account, confirm it, and your account of Bigo Live will be permanently deleted. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.